Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. On Monday, October 18, the representatives of the Salesian radios of Argentina, Colombia, Paraguay, Ecuador, Dominican Republic, Brazil and Bolivia met in digital mode for a moment of formation and meeting. Father Gildacio Mendes, General Counsellor for Social Communication of the Salesian congregation, thanked everyone for their presence and underlined the importance of radio in the current communicative context. The program of the meeting included 3 central conferences which addressed several relevant topics. Professor Camila Bosato Fernandez, professor at the Federal University of Ceará, addressed the theme, the experience of the podcast as queers and the increase in the consumption of audio platforms in the pandemic. On this occasion, the teacher said that it is necessary to create a part of communication based on truth and added, I agree with what Don Gildacio said. We need to establish this communication of quality and commitment to truth and social rights. As for podcasts, I think they are new forms, new spaces to share content because today listeners choose what they want to consume. Last July, the Rector Major Father Angel Fernandez Artime launched the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival. It is a film festival that gives young people the opportunity to go beyond the pandemic and social problems, to look at the world and the future, moved by hope, as stated by the Srena of the Rector Major for 2021, who gave the theme to the festival. The whole Salesian world has actively participated, preparing videos to be presented by October 15, and the Salesians and young people of the Vice Province of East Timor have worked assiduously side by side to prepare for the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival. This is how today they tell their experience so far. A bus representing the Patriarch of the Salesians in Mumbai, Father Aurelio Mascio Vazzola, Italy 1909, Mumbai, India 1996, was inaugurated by Monsignor Barthor Barretto, Auxiliary Bishop of Mumbai, in the presence of the Provincial of the Salesians of India, Mumbai, Father Savio Silveira, the Rector of the Shrine of Our Lady of Don Bosco in Matunga, Father Edwin D'Souza, and various benefactors of Salesian work and participants in the 22nd Provincial Chapter of INB. The inauguration of the commemorative bus in the garden of the grotto of the sanctuary intends to honor the memory of Don Mascio on the 25th anniversary of his death. In addition, the museum with a permanent exhibition of Don Mascio's relics in the building that houses the offices of the sanctuary is a testimony of his pioneering works and of the relationship he knew how to weave with benefactors and sympathizers of the Salesian work. Among the articles exhibited in the exhibition are the typewriter on which Don Mascio used to spend many hours of work, maintaining a dense correspondence with numerous people, liturgical accessories, chalices, pissets, etc., its liturgical vestments, some personal effects, the well-preserved notes of some homilies, certificates and certificates of appreciation, and many prizes. "58 young people aged 16 to 22 from all over Germany are starting their voluntary service under the Don Bosco Volunteers Program. 40 of these will support the work of Salesian Institution in Germany. Stefan Stor, coordinator of volunteer services with the Salesians of Don Bosco in Germany, says that in this way they have the opportunity to have practical experience of working with very different people. To the Don Bosco volunteers, we offer the opportunity to contribute to society with their skills and their personal interests and talents, and to learn a lot about themselves, says the Salesian. On October 10, the Don Bosco Educational Center was inaugurated in Jawoa, Pessoa. The event, held according to the health safety protocols for the pandemic, was attended by Father Nivaldo Pessinati, Superior of the Salesian Province of Basile Recife, and numerous civil and religious personalities. With Father Renato George, SDB, at the head of the Salesian work, 300 young people will be assisted per semester through courses in computer science, theatre and music. Each class will be composed of 30 students who, with the diploma of the institute, will be ready for the labour market. The Salesian work, Don Bosco Zaikoni, belonging to the East Africa province, last weekend launched the monthly pastoral program for young people called Youth Festival. The program includes the formation of young people through prayer, reflection, performances of talents and the Eucharist. The reflections are focused on the Srena del Retor Maggiore 2021, Move by Hope, and the Srena 2022, Do Everything for Love, Nothing for Strength. The Salesian province, Maria Assunta of Central Africa, organized on October 17 the retreat of the Salesian family on the theme Joseph and the Power of Silence. The speaker, Father Kamiba Isaac, spoke of the Gospel according to Matthew, in which Joseph is presented acting in silence. Silence was for him a duty and a right, he noted. And in moments of trial, Joseph was silent, a silence inhabited by communion with God. For this reason, Father Kamiba Isaac urged the Salesian family to assume silence in love, trust and communion with God and to share it with others as the fruit of faith in God. The day ended with meditation, the rosary and the Eucharistic celebration. A group of young students from the Salesian University, Unisal of Bahia Blanca, is carrying out a volunteer project in favor of numerous families living in situations of profound poverty. The action takes place in a new territory located in the area of pastoral attention of the parish Sant Juan de Bosco of the Salesian House, La Piedad of Bahia Blanca, Buenos Aires. Every Saturday, students carry out oratory activities and prepare lunch for all families. The heavy rainfall and the consequent floods have devastated the state of Kerala, claiming the lives of many and displacing thousands since last week. Rescue efforts are in full swing with the help of local administrators everywhere. The rainfall has partially subsided in central Kerala, but the threat of landslides and severe waterlogging across multiple districts persists. Kerala has seen a series of natural disasters in the past 4 years, causing loss of lives, and the residents of the Kottayam district have witnessed a tragedy of such magnitude for the first time. The volunteers also started working on mobilizing relief materials in close coordination with the district administration. During rescue and relief operations, people from neighborhood groups extended exemplary assistance in all possible ways. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.